And we have started batting innings of United and Dwarka. First shot through the covers by Sunil Rawat, and it's a single. Third ball of the over to Sachin Arora, and easy defense. Nice running between the wickets. One more run. Fourth ball of the over, this time towards third man area, and should be a couple of runs. Very good running between the wickets by Sunil Rawat and Sachin Arora. Fifth ball by Sandy to Sunil Rawat, again a single, very tight single this time. Third ball of the over to Sunil Rawat, this time outside off stump, and a tight single again, completed. Fourth ball of the over by Amir to Sachin Arora, half volley and dropped. Hard luck for Amir, it was a catch direct to the keeper but dropped. This time Sachin has played over the extra cover fielder for a nice boundary. First four for United and Dwarka and for Sachin Arora. Third over of the innings, second over for Sandy to Sunil Rawat. Again a half volley, and this time he makes no mistake, and it's a boundary towards square leg, deep square leg. Nice boundary. First boundary coming up for Sunil Rawat, second boundary for United and Dwarka. 14 runs after 2.1. Hard luck again for this bowler. It was a thick edge, missed by the keeper. Two catches dropped, one life each to both the batsmen. Fourth ball and but straight to fielder. Sachin Arora sent Sunil Rawat back. It would have been a close single, very, very close. Last ball of the over to Sachin Arora. Nice ball. Again, a catch dropped, seems to be. Fourth over of the inning. Second over by Amir. Again, catch dropped by keeper of Amir to Sunil Rawat, and beaten. Nice bowling. Sunil Rawat beaten by the length of this ball. Fifth ball of the over and straight to batsman this time, and should be a couple of runs this time. Yes, Sachin Arora is coming back for the second run. Will complete it very easily before the fielder sends it back to the bowler. 22 runs after 3.5 overs. Last ball of the over to Sunil Rawat. Again a good shot, and again should be a couple of runs. No, yes. There was a misfield by Captain Arun, and resultant second run also completed with ease. 24 runs after 4 overs. Bold, beaten by the speed. Nice length, very well bowled. United and Dwarka at 25 runs after 4.2 overs for the loss of 1 wicket. Sunil Rawat getting out at an individual score of 16 runs after facing 15 deliveries. Next batsman Vivek Hooda. Third ball of the over, nice flick towards the fine leg for a single, off the mark on the very first ball. Vivek Hooda nicely played this shot for a single. Fourth ball of the over going towards the third man, should be a couple of runs. Yes, with Sachin's speed of running, he has completed the second run very easily. 28 runs after 4.4 overs for the loss of 1 wicket at average of 6 runs per over. Fifth ball of the over, Sandy to Sachin Arora. Again a nice shot straight down the ground. Should be at least a single. Yes, it should be a double of. It should be couple of runs. Very easy. Second run for Sachin Arora and Vivek Hooda. 30 runs after 4.5 overs. Straight down the ground. This time, no one is there to stop this ball, and it's a boundary. Second boundary for Sachin Arora. 34 runs after 5 overs. Sixth over, straight into the block hole. Very nice ball by Gaurav Pawar. Nice shot this time by Vivek Hooda and racing towards the boundary, but will stop before it. Yes, but nevertheless 2 runs for Vivek Hooda. Arun, the captain, has taken charge, and Vivek Hooda has also taken charge on the very first ball.
Height.
The captain, and it's a boundary. Nice boundary towards the deep square leg and mid wicket area. 43 runs after 6.1 overs for the loss of 1 wicket. Bowler is finding it difficult to hold a grip, resultant that full toss delivery. Again a full toss delivery to Vivek Hooda, and he makes no mistake. This time towards the extra cover area for another boundary. 47 runs after 6.2 overs. Welcome boundary for Team United in Dwarka. Again a straight, this time a full length delivery to Vivek Hooda. And now this time a half volley, and it should be another 4. Yes, third boundary of the over for Vivek Hooda. 50 runs coming up for Team United Dwarka in 6.4 overs.
50.
Last ball of the over, Sachin Arora has played in the air, and it just dropped before the long off fielder. Could have been an easy catch. Ready with the second over. And this time Sachin Arora has played it through the mid wicket, and this is a welcome boundary for Sachin Arora. Second ball of the over. Again a straight shot. Again a direct hit through the third man area. This time an easy double for Sachin Arora. Last ball of the over to Sachin Arora, and this time straight down the ground to longer fielder for a single. 62 runs coming up after 8 overs at an average of 7.75. Nice shout by skipper.
अबे भाई बोला मत कर तू.
The wicket keeper this time. Nice bowling by Rajiv.
आउट होता है.
Very deceiving bowler. Sachin Arora
आउट था.
was almost plump, but lucky umpire thought otherwise. And this time in the desperation he has played in the air, and again a lucky champ. Another third catch dropped for him today. Sachin Arora, this time Vivek Hooda makes no mistake, sends it to boundary for a huge 6.
अच्छा इसका बॉल स्लो डालता है एक्शन.
राजीव
डिसीविंग है.
could not deceive.
नहीं इसकी कई स्पिन हो जाती है ना उसमें.
Vivek Hooda and
कई स्पिन
resultant a 6. 69 runs coming up after 8.3 overs at an average of 8.12. Third ball of the over to Vivek Hooda, and again Vivek takes charge, takes an easy single.
शाबाश शाबाश
After-
शाबाश शाबाश
After
बढ़िया
a
उठा
huge
बहुत
six,
बढ़िया
this
Sensible.
is sensible batting by Vivek Hooda. 70 runs coming up for United 11 Dwarka after 8.4 overs for the loss of 1 wicket. Fifth ball of the over to Sachin Arora, and again, but this time Sachin makes no mistake, sends the ball to boundary down the long on area. 74 runs coming up for Team United in Dwarka after 8.45 overs. Last ball of the over to Sachin Arora, and this time Sachin Arora sends it to deep square leg area for a single. 75 runs coming up after 9 overs for the loss of 1 wicket at an average of 8.33 runs per over. Fifth ball, thick edge to the short third man area for an easy single. 80 runs coming up after 9.5 overs at an average of 8.14. Last ball of the over, and this is nice
दो
through the
हाँ जाएगी नहीं
short third man area for a couple of runs. 82 runs after 10 overs for the loss of 1 wicket. Fourth ball of the over to Vivek Hooda, and Hooda sends it to the deep course boundary. There is a misfield and it's a boundary. Fifth ball of the over, and Vivek takes full advantage of this ball, sends it very far into the fields for a huge six. Second six coming up for Vivek Hooda. Bowler is very disappointed. 94 runs coming up for Team United 11 Dwarka after 10.5 overs for the loss of 1 wicket. Last ball of the over, again a six.
बोला था
In the same
11
area.
over में बोला था
This was a shorter one, but
100.
nevertheless a six.
100
Welcome six for United 11, Vivek Hooda and Team United Dwarka. 100 runs coming up for
100
Team United 11 Dwarka after 11 overs. Hooda has reached 45 runs after facing 20 deliveries with the help of 4 boundaries and 3 sixes. Well played, Vivek Hooda.
मेरे ख्याल से
Sachin Arora getting a thick edge, but it should stop before the boundary. Yes, it has stopped, but nevertheless, 2 easy runs for Sachin Arora. New bowler Pankaj has been introduced into the attack, getting hit for a couple of runs on the very first ball. Fourth ball of the over, again straight pitched and should be a boundary. No long on fielder is there to back it up. Should be a single. 103 runs after 11.4 overs. Now Vivek Hooda is on strike and straight to the long on fielder. He makes no mistake. Direct catch, easy catch for long on fielder. Vivek Hooda is making his way back to the pavilion after playing a nice shot.
बढ़िया उठा बढ़िया शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया
Nice cameo by Vivek Hooda. 45 runs in just 21 deliveries with the help of 4 boundaries and 3 sixes. Next batsman Viraj Pandita for Team United 11 Dwarka. 104 runs after 12 overs for the loss of 2 wickets. Third ball of the over, but straight to deep square leg fielder. 12 point. Another good ball. After 12.3 overs, 107 runs. Fifth ball of the over to Viraj Pandita, straight to long off fielder for a single. Nice shot this time by Sachin Arora, and this is towards the deep square leg. Sorry, deep covers.
शाबाश शाबाश
There is a misfield by the fielder. Resultant a boundary. Easy boundary for Sachin Arora. With the help of this boundary, Sachin has reached 47 runs, and Team United Dwarka is at 112 runs for the loss of 2 wickets after 13 overs. Nice shot this time by Viraj for a single through the extra covers. Sachin playing at 47, and this is nice flick, but run out. Viraj Pandita run out. Hard luck for Viraj Pandita, getting out very easy, very meagerly for just couple of runs. Next batsman Anil Kumar Nain. Off the mark on the very first ball. 140 runs after 13.3 overs for the loss of 3 wickets. Sachin Arora very desperate to complete his half century. Fifth delivery by Arun, and again this time double.
नॉन स्ट्राइकर बोलो पुश करके भागो
It was a close call for Sachin Arora, but nevertheless completed 2 over for Honey. And good shot by Anil Kumar Nain this time.
दो
Very easy 2 runs for him through the deep covers area. This time a single.
दो
It was last ball. 119 runs after 15 overs. Second ball of the over to Sachin Arora, and this time he's flicked it towards the deep square leg area for a single. 50 runs coming up for Sachin Arora. Nicely played innings today. Very well, Sachin Arora. 120 runs. Nice shot by Rajveer, off the mark on the very first ball with the help of a boundary. 128 runs after 16.3 overs. Big catch this time. Should be a double run. Couple of runs for Rajveer. Easy couple. Nice running between the wickets. Third ball of the over to Sachin Arora, and Sachin sends it to boundary, but straight to fielder. Nice field there by deep covers, extra covers fielder. Definitely saved 3 runs. Last ball of the over and last ball of the spell for Sachin.
शॉट 6
And this is 6. This time Sachin makes no mistake and sends this ball. The last delivery of Arun's spell. Last ball of the 4th over. Gone for a 6. 142 runs after 18 overs for the loss of 4 wickets. Team United 11 Dwarka is playing at the average of 7.89. And projected score has reached to 158 runs. Honey continuing his last over of the spell, and to Rajveer, straight to fielder Arun. He makes no mistake and caught with the help. Straight to fielder.
2 wickets in 2 overs, 2 balls. Sorry. Hat-trick chance for Honey. And that's in the air and dropped. 2 runs taken.
बैट्समैन अच्छे इनके.
Sachin Arora moves on to 60.
अच्छा.
दोनों जो बॉलिंग कर रहे थे शॉट
That's a 6 from Sachin Arora's bat. Now he's cutting loose, 2 sixes in 3 balls. Moves on to 150. That's a good score now. After 11 overs, score was stopped, but now it's moving. 2 sixes in a span of 5 balls. And single taken by Sachin Arora. That finishes 19th over. Score moves on to 151. We're getting started. And it's played down towards the
double.
square boundary.
Very good. Well played, Sachin bhai. Come on.
2 runs taken. Score moves on to 153.
Beauty.
Edge to third man. Single taken. Sachin Arora moves on to 70.
बढ़िया.
Leg by. Single taken.
भागो दो.
Again a single. 6 runs coming off 5 ball, last ball. And again a single.
दो.
Okay, now they're going for double. 159 is the target.
159
159 is the total.
160.
And 160 is the target.
Finally,
159.
Team United Lane Dwarka closing the innings with 8 runs per over. The target given to Janakpuri Giants is 160 runs in 20 overs.
शॉर्ट रहेगा.
Well played, Team United Dwarka. After initial hiccup and middle order collapse, finally we managed to get 159 runs in 20 overs. Well played, Sachin Arora. The opener has
ग्लूकोन डी पिला.
played the full innings of 20 overs. Started with the first ball, ended with the last ball. And well supported by Jay Nathani in the end.